Module 6, Hands-on Workshop. Chapter 10, Introduction to AI Tools and Platforms for Project Managers. Project managers can benefit from hands-on experience with AI tools. This chapter introduces various tools and platforms that empower project managers to harness the power of generative AI effectively. 6.1 AI Tools Overview. Explore a range of user-friendly AI tools designed to accommodate project managers with varying levels of technical expertise. Tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and AutoML platforms provide accessible entry points into generative AI. 6.2 Cloud-based platforms. Discover cloud-based platforms like Google Cloud AI Platform and Microsoft Azure AI, which offer integrated environments for data preparation, model training, and deployment. Chapter Y. Practical Exercises. Building simple generative AI models for project-related tasks. Hands-on experience solidifies understanding. This chapter guides project managers through practical exercises to build basic generative AI models that can enhance project-related tasks. 6.3 Text Generation Model. Learn how to build a simple text generation model using recurrent neural networks, RNNs, or transformers. This can be applied to automate report writing or generate project-related content. 6.4 Image Generation Model. Explore building an image generation model using a GAN architecture. This can be used for generating project visuals, prototypes, or design concepts. 6.5 Idea Generation Model. Create a basic idea generation model using a generative language model. This can assist in brainstorming sessions by suggesting innovative ideas for project solutions. Chapter Z. Maximizing Learning Through Workshop Interaction. This chapter focuses on interactive learning within the workshop environment, encouraging engagement and addressing common challenges project managers might face during the hands-on exercises. 6.6 Q&A and Troubleshooting. Address common questions and challenges that arise during the hands-on exercises, fostering an environment of collaborative learning. 6.7 Sharing Experiences. Encourage participants to share their experiences, insights, and results from the practical exercises. This collaborative approach enhances the learning process and provides diverse perspectives. In the following workshop sessions, we will delve deeper into each exercise, guiding project managers step by step to successfully create their own generative AI models. By actively engaging in these hands-on activities, project managers will not only gain practical skills but also develop a deeper understanding of how generative AI can be applied to their specific project management scenarios. Thanks for watching.